Far over the misty mountains cold, to dungeons deep and caverns old, we must away at break of day to find our long forgotten gold. The pines were roaring
shrill and harsh across the marsh. Its whistling voices were released. Farewell we call to hearth and hall. The wind may blow and rain may fall. We must away ere break of day, far o'er the wood and mountain tall.